Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sophia Patrick. Today's video is a detailed tutorial on my eyebrow routine, so kindly stay tuned to see how I achieve my brow. I'm using an eye pencil in color 3. I am also using a spooler for brushing my brow. Here is a flat angle brush. Here is another flat brush for blending. I am using a concealer in 2 different shades. I am brushing my brow hair using the spooler to make it stay put. You really need to make sure your pencil is very sharp. So right now I'm outlining the brow. Right now I'm using a light feathery strokes to cover up the outlined area. You can see I took it up and right now I'm going in slanty. I'm just following the natural pattern of my brow growth. Using the spooler again, I brush the brow to fade out fine lines. Using the angle brush, I am applying the darker shade of the concealer which I displayed earlier, which matches my skin tone. Using the same angle brush, I am applying the lighter shade of the concealer under. Right now, I'm applying the same shade I used before on top at the beginning, then I'm going over the light shade with it because I want this looking as well blended and natural as possible. I am currently blending using the flat brush. I usually start from the upper one because the concealer I use here is a shade matching my skin tone. If you guys equally noticed, while applying the concealer using the angle brush, I did not start from the very beginning. I usually go over it while blending with the remnants that I have from the blending brush because we want it looking as natural as possible. And that's the same effect I try to achieve on the under part by applying the same shade I used on top at the beginning. So I'm just blending it all. am currently using my powder shade to set the concealer. I am using a lighter shade of powder to set this part. Right now, I am applying the brow gel. So guys, this is it. I am still in the middle of my makeup. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you kindly like the video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Mwah.